talking to your mermaid? Huh? Hey, what do you see? You see your mermaid? Look. Hi, Kelly. You waving? Say hi. Hi. Yeah, you like her, don't you? You like your mermaid. Here's what she looks like. What do you think? You like that? Hmm? Yeah? Oh. You talking to her? Alright. I'm very interested in your mermaid right now. Yeah. Tell her what you think. Are you trying to kick her? Hmm? Hey. Hey, baby. Yeah. That's right.